Today I am going to explain Java OOPS concepts. So here we learn about basics of OOPS, that is Object-Oriented Programming System. OOPS is a paradigm that provides many concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Okay. It is very important to note that the programming paradigm where everything is represented as an object is known as truly object-oriented programming language. So here object, and this is truly object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming is a methodology or paradigm to design a program using classes and objects. In OOPS concepts, classes and objects are most important terms. This concept simplifies the software development and maintenance by providing some concepts such as object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So let us discuss all these concepts one by one. First one is object. So any entity that has state and behavior is known as object. For example, chair, pen, table, keyboard, bike, etc. Object can be physical and logical. It is important to note that object can be physical and logical. Now the second one is classes. What is classes? Collection of objects is known as classes. It is only logical entity. It is not physical. This term logical is important. So what is physical and logical? Physical means you can touch and feel that object, but logical object can only be felt. Now the next term is inheritance. So, what is inheritance? When one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object, that is known as inheritance. Inheritance provides reusability. Reusability. Reusability is an important term to understand. So, the main you can say that the main use of inheritance is reusability. Let us consider an example. You inherited some of your parents' properties. Your parents inherited some of your grandparent properties. So we can say that you are subclass of your parents' class, and your parent is subclass of your your grandparents. Grandparents. The next term is polymorphism. What is polymorphism? When one task is performed by different ways, that is known as polymorphism. For example, can be to speak something. For example, cat speaks meow, dog speaks whoa. Yes, this is polymorphism. In Java, we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. So, with the help of method overloading and with the help of method overriding, we can achieve polymorphism in Java. The next term is abstraction. Abstraction. So what is abstraction? Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. Internal details and functionality. These are important terms in abstraction. For example, phone call. We don't know the internal processing. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. The next important and last term is encapsulation. Encapsulation. So what is encapsulation in Java? Binding, or you can say that wrapping code and data together into a single unit is known as encapsulation. For example, capsule. It is wrapped with different medicines. Okay. Okay, capsule is an example of encapsulation. And in terms of Java, we can say that Java class is the example of encapsulation because it wrapped up, or we can say that the data member and member function of the member function are wrapped into a single unit into a classes. So that's why we can say that Java class is the example of encapsulation. So these are overall OOPS concepts in Java. Thank you.